What if I told you that you could own a brand new house with over 5,200 square feet on an acre of land in a prime location in Phoenix, and you could have all that for under $2 million? Would you believe me? Well, you should, because right here in the foothills of Phoenix Mountain Preserve, you've got all that and more. Now, the seller of this property acquired this 2-acre parcel, split it in two, and decided to create a pair of beautiful, soft, contemporary mansions. And the home next door was completed and sold in 2018, so now you've got this new and improved version that is now up for sale. And from the second you lay eyes on the outside of this property, you fall in love. You've got this beautiful brick surrounding the entry, a paved circular driveway right in front of the home, and a separate driveway to the side of the home with garage access. And man, do I love that. And nothing beats the feeling of walking to a brand new house. You can smell it, you can see the flawless lines and marvel in the reflection of yourself in the brand new appliances. And my favorite room is this kitchen, which is insane. First of all, it's massive in scale, but it's also super functional. You've got all high-end appliances, and I love the large Sub-Zero fridge accompanied by the full-size wine fridge. Super classy. And the kitchen also has quartz counters with a waterfall edge on both sides. Love it. The other finishes throughout the home are also top-notch, from engineered wood floors to the collapsible sliding doors. It's really the perfect house for entertaining. I mean, just imagine the amount of people you could comfortably have here. So if you want to see a new construction home in Phoenix surrounded by other multi-million-dollar properties, then I invite you to call me, Mike Delaney with North & Co, and I'll show you 10475 North 37th Street in Phoenix. I have a feeling you're going to love it.